Don't you hate it when your yard smells good? Now, Fe-wheeze goes outside.
Why would you want that?
Why enjoy the sense of nature when you can have nature smell like whatever you want? Available in these new popular fragrances. Porcupine.
Ow! Are those thorns?
Ketchup.
Gross! Ah!
And our new scent, cat.
This is actually a cat. Ugh.
Toilet paper.
Toilet paper smells?
Only 17 out of 18 people were harmed in the making of this film. This infomercial was also made on a low budget. Side effects may include itching, scratching, wheezing, and death. So, if you'd like to make a call, please hang up and check in.
Satisfaction not guaranteed.
I still don't smell anything.
Make it stink, make it stink.
Okay, I can get that up.
Bloopers.
17 of 18 people. Oh, I messed up! Only 17 out of 18 people were harmed in the making of this film. I felt no need to catch it.
Boo.